now arriving is making its last stop. Do not board. Next to end in 7 minutes.
They got dipsies.
Oh my god.
God.
Damn.
How you doing?
Good.
Same idea as me.
Uh-oh, lights!
They're trying to make me lose, but
Is that like a wire game?
yes. So it's plugged into the MUNI itself.
1534.
Hi. I'm waiting for my dad here. I'll wait on them when it comes back around.
Please hold on.
Alright, here we go again. Yeah.
But I kind of like the fuel version better.
Yeah. Everybody wave! Right. Oh my god.
Here we go.
Here we go!
That served, had temporarily served for the suspension of the Central Subway.
I haven't been to the Western Railway. I really want to go there, but I just haven't.
Next stop, Church and 30th Street.
Look at NOAA to watch for traffic after exiting the train.
This is an accessible station.
Arriving westbound, one car J, next J in 1 minute, K in 4 minutes, L in 2 minutes, M in 3 minutes, N in 3 minutes.
Holy crap!
This is not a good idea.
I'll meet you guys there, I swear to God. Have fun!
No, he's gone. He's left us. He's left us.
Joshua.
Please hold on.
Sorry.
Well, we got a new recorder in the front. Welcome.
Next stop, Central Station.
After today, they're going to be all sent to the Western Railway Museum.
No, only this car. The rest are being scrapped.
Not all. I mean, all of this vehicle.
It was nice meeting you.
Welcome, Civic Center.